Everyone. I hope everybody's having a blessed Monday. So I thought I'd come on, we're going to do a marinade for some chicken thighs, but I'm going to bake them tomorrow and I'm going to make a chicken salad out of them. So, I already washed the chicken. This is my book. It's doing very well. Excuse me, what, 310, 140, and I lost all my weight. So, I'm gorgeous, I'm alive, I'm the queen, and I'm in your dreams, and I'm everybody's desire. See, it's all about losing the weight. It's not about Botox, plastic surgery, weight loss surgery, because you're getting it back. It's about applying yourself and realizing you eat healthy and counting calories, carbs, fats, and proteins, and measuring your food. That's what I do. Okay? So, we have 4 chicken thighs here. And stuff. So, we have a whole bunch of seasonings. So, first thing we're going to do is use a piece of mint. These are going to, they'll be in the refrigerator almost 24 hours by the time it's done. Okay? So, what I'm going to do, chop this up. Bowl, and then we're going to get it overnight. Something simple and easy. So, we're going to use some salt. I like sea salt. And you're just going to put a little bit like this. Something. Italian seasoning. Well, there's a lot of seasonings on this one. But you want the seasonings on here because you're making a salad out of this. That's why. Onion powder. Go the other side. Poultry seasoning. Poultry seasoning is good with that. Same with the sage, I'll show you. Just go. Sage. Pepper. I've had a good workout today. Tomorrow's a long workout, and I thought, oh, you know what? I need some food for the lake house because I'm working on my deck this week, and I'm going to be staining this weekend, so it's going to be a long haul. This is what I do. I'll show you. Just keep going with the seasoning. Sorry. Okay. Basil. Seasoned salt. You're really just coating them. You're not really measuring them. You want to coat them because you want them to have a good coat for seasoning. My butter's getting tired. It's been a long day. After this week, it'll be a little easier on me with the deck. Accent. Okay. Cayenne pepper. You're going to use a couple pinches because you got to tarragon on both sides. And how many tablespoons? 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. Up right there. Mix them up real good. So then, what's they look like now? Okay. My allergies. Okay, I'm gonna stick them in a bowl so they can marinate overnight. Just make it like this. So you hear people what they look like. That's super easy, people. And then it's easy. Then you put them in the refrigerator. We'll leave them marinate about 24 hours. Come back tomorrow. I'm going to bake them. And then I'm going to make a chicken salad out of them. And it'll be a 2-parter, and we'll go from there. God bless everybody. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It's going on OnlyFans and YouTube. See you soon. Bye.